analog means. Solid-state relays are semiconductor equivalents of electromechanical relays and can be used for protection and control without movement. Characteristic for a protective relay, and we will discuss some of them, including overcurrent relays, directional relays, distance protection and impedance relays. Reverse power are defined as a relay which operate only when the values of current is greater than the relay setting time. Directional relays operate when the current flows in a particular direction. Quantities exceed a predetermined amount. Thermal overload relays are relays that utilize the thermal properties of material. GeneralPAC.com, making power systems intuitive, open, and free to everyone, everywhere. Consider subscribing and supporting through patreon.com/GeneralPAC. Our corporate sponsor for this topic is Illumiax.com from Seattle, Washington. Contact them for industrial and commercial power system studies.